It is currently 8:30 now. Probably should get up and get going and pack, although we're not leaving for another few hours. So it's not as chilly this morning, which is great. Slept pretty well, I'm not gonna lie. It's nice and toasty. It's the last night of camping. 6 days in a tent. It's been a long time since I've done that. Anyways, I'm gonna get up and get ready.
So there are some of the biggest, just normal crickets I've ever seen. But according to Sam, they're not in the girls' washroom, they're in the guys' washroom. So I scooped one off the wall. And they are just huge.
Oh yeah, they're big.
Yeah.
They're big boys.
Big and juicy. Yeah, like the size of my thumb.
He's just like, why did you take me away from my friends?
Yeah, there's tons of them in there.
In that one bathroom stall?
Yeah. They're all in one stall. It's kind of weird.
Last time packing up the tent. Good?
Yep. That's the spot.
Flip that one really bad. It will. I'll just flip it over later. Oh, my battery dies. Let's try it out. Oh, it's sweet. Sweet.
It's good.
I'm not sure if it's like from the maple syrup that's making it sweet or the mix. I made myself some cereal. I'm still hungry. It is 10 o'clock. We have an hour.
Yep.
An hour to kill. This is the slowest start we've had, but only because we're just heading back into town. It's only like 5 hours or so. We may drop by and visit Adrian's dad if he's there. If not, we might go check out a lookout off of Boston Bar. Off of Boston Bar, I think. Goodbye, campsite. You were swell.
Yep.
Lac La Heche.
Lac La Heche.
Highly recommend. It's very good. Super impressed. I like small towns like this. Even better when they have a really clean bathroom.
And really cool, like old.
Yeah, I love stuff like this. Oh, definitely back to my truck after this.
There's nothing I could ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love. We've said goodbye. There's nothing I could ever say to change your mind. Defeated by the dreams and the memories we've made, to see it crashing out the skies.
Alright,
So
this is a recap of the trip. What did we learn?
I learned, while traveling with you, to keep days a little shorter. Me and my dad are used to putting in like long days in the chair, like 12 plus hours.
Yeah, but you also said that your dad likes to bomb through places, so you never got a chance to look.
Yeah, there's upsides and downsides. But like me and my dad, we'll both we'll put long days in the chair.
Yeah.
And my dad like wants to get direct to a destination, right?
Yeah.
So if I plan a trip with you, we can stop more places, but don't plan super long days.
Yeah.
So you were getting pretty tired a few times.
Yeah. Well, I learned that if it's not highway driving, I can only, actually including highway driving, I can only really put in 9 hours.
Yeah.
Unless maybe there's like stops in between.
And that's like...
And not being dehydrated.
That's like the upper limit, yeah.
Yeah.
Like try and probably be like 6 hour days, probably, maybe 7.
Yeah.
I think you learned that there's a lot of stuff that you don't need to bring.
Yeah, I think I brought it just in case.
Yeah.
So it's always good to have that, but like I actually didn't really need it. I can downsize my big backpacker's backpack into a duffel bag. So
save a little bit of space.
So have even more space. I think it would be even better have the stuff in the crates. When I get my drawer system, those will go in there. We saw a bobcat for like 3 seconds.
Yeah.
We saw a bunch of cows. We saw some horses. Some of them may be wild, some of them were not.
Yep. And then lots of squirrels and lots of bugs.
And we saw a few deer.
Yep.
We saw some abandoned cottages. We only found one like abandoned, actual like burnt down, washed out house.
Yeah.
On a road that we thought we were on the wrong road, but it turned out it was fine.
But we were on the wrong road, but it ended up being fine because it put us only like a couple miles in a different spot. So
yeah. It just worked out.
Looped around to where we wanted to be and it was fine.
Yeah. Probably maybe next time we
go on a trip, we'll have a better system of, I guess, mapping things out, because it was kind of hard and difficult to do sometimes. Although using the navigation was probably the most surprising thing, just to find your areas compared to your map, I guess.
Yeah.
Figure out where we were, because we have no GPS signal, right?
Well, no phone signal, yeah.
Yeah.
So using like Google Maps and stuff wasn't, and a lot of the Google Maps like didn't even go into those areas, so you couldn't even use it anyway.
Yeah, which is why most people downloaded those maps on a tablet
Yeah.
of some sort, which is maybe the next thing to do if we don't have like because you wanted to get a Garmin Overlander.
Yeah.
But saying if we don't have that one yet, we probably should just download it onto a tablet and just use that
Yeah.
next time. Other than that, that's probably the only thing I would improve on.
I say it
And
wasn't.
checking out sites, I guess, or other campsites going up like along the path, because we did check out some, but there are some that you had on there that I guess wasn't on the list, so I wasn't able to check out, or if we could even Google it at all, because I didn't realize there were a couple ones that you added in.
Yeah. I think
So-
navigation was more a concern for you than for me.
Yeah,
I wasn't too
because
concerned about
I'm
it.
used to having an actual like plan at least for that.
Yeah.
Other stuff we can explore, but like there's certain things like I like to have planned. But yeah, learn some things. And yeah, until the next trip, which I literally do not know when. I honestly don't. Do you?
We'll figure something out, just like a small weekend trip or something.
Yeah, because at this point, I don't think our trip of what I originally wanted to do is going to happen. So, anytime soon. At least for another couple years. Oh, by that time you'll get your truck.
Yeah.
All right. See ya.
Peace.
Be safe, be well.